Hello YouTubers, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. So today I have come with another interesting new video of 3-dimensional geometry lecture series, lecture number 25. Today we are going to discuss the equation of a plane in intercept form. As usual, first we will illustrate the theory using a real life mathematical model as a teaching learning material, TLM. So please welcome our beautiful and colorful mathematical model like this. Today I have used this book as a plane and this gorilla tripod as Cartesian coordinate system in 3-dimensional space. Consider this as x-axis, this one y-axis and this one z-axis, and this is the origin. Okay, so now here see this plane make an intercept with the x-axis. Say this is a unit on the x-axis and the intercept made by this plane on the y-axis say b unit, and this one on z-axis say c unit. And say let us consider this plane cut or touches the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis at capital A, capital B, capital C points. Then what are the coordinates of these points? Here as the plane touches this at capital A and the distance is a unit, and so the x coordinate of the point capital A is a, and other coordinates, that is y coordinate and z coordinates, are 0 obviously because it is this point lies on x-axis. So this coordinate of this point A is a small a 0 0. Similarly, you can understand. If you understood already, you just comment the answers in the comment section below. पता है मुझे, आप लोग comment करेंगे नहीं, फिर भी बोल दिया एक बार. Here the coordinate of the point B is obviously 0 B 0, and the coordinate of the point capital C is 0 0 C. Now in lecture number 20 we have studied the equation of a plane in normal form, and the Cartesian form was given as ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, right? If you directly come to this lecture, then my humble request to you, please go through my all previous lectures, especially lecture 20, then come to this lecture, then you can understand what I am telling right now. So then the equation of the plane must satisfy these points, because these points lies on this plane, because they are the cutting points of the plane with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. That concept, that trick we are going to use to prove the theory of today. So okay, thank you model. Okay, now we are going to the blackboard. First we are going to draw the diagrams. Okay, this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Take yellow or white. O, x, y and z, and say this is the plane in intercept form denoted by red lines. Okay, now say this point is on x-axis is capital A, as I have told you with the model. This one point is C. Now this portion length is A unit, this one B unit and this one C unit. So the coordinate of A is, take blue, A 0 0, coordinate of B is 0 B 0, and coordinate of C is 0 0 C. Now we will start the proof. Let the equation of the plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here don't confuse with this capital ABC in equation 1 with the points ABC in the diagram. Here ABC are nothing but the direction ratios of the normal to the plane through the origin. If you go through lecture 20, that is the theory, equation of a plane in normal form, then you can understand what I am telling you. So now, here the plane makes intercepts A, B, C unit with the coordinate axis. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of points A, B, C are A0, 0, 0, B, 0 and 0, 0, C respectively. Hope you have understood this step. I have illustrated with the model. If still you have any doubt, put your comment in the comment section below. Then I will make another separate video for this. Okay. Now, as these points capital A, B, C lies on the plane, so these points will satisfy the equation of the plane. That trick we will use. So, as points A, B, C lies on the plane 1, therefore they will satisfy the equation of the plane 1. The concept is very plain, very simple, nothing is there. So, AX plus BY, y means 0, plus CZ means 0 plus D equal to 0. A0, 0 will satisfy the equation 1. So, implies we get AA plus D equal to 0. Implies capital A means minus D by A. Similarly, we get B equal to minus D by B and C equal to minus D by C. How I have written this? Just put the values 0, B, 0 and 0, 0, C on the equation 1 and you can get it simply. So do it yourself, home assignment. Okay, now putting the values of capital A, B, C in equation 1, we have, what is equation 1? See, Ax plus By plus Cz plus D equal to 0. Here we will put the values of A, B, C. Next page. Take white color. Okay. So A means minus D by A into Ax. Then B means minus D by B into Y. Then minus D by C into Z plus D equal to 0. Where D is the distance of the plane from the origin. Again, we are using the concept of equation of a plane in normal form. So, as it is a distance from the origin, it cannot be, it never be 0. So, as it is a non-zero scalar, you can say, so we can divide the whole relation minus D by A into X minus D by B into Y minus D by C into Z plus D equal to 0 by D, as it is a non-zero quantity D. So, as D is a non-zero scalar, you can say, not actually here, as d is the distance from origin to the plane. It may be 0, but then it's a particular case. In general, it cannot be 0, so we divide it by d. Okay, so minus x by a minus x by b minus x by c minus 1 equal to 0. See previous page. Minus x by a minus y by b minus z by c plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 equal to 0. Then x by a plus, I have done mistake, y, z. Here y by b, z by c. So y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So this is the, so 2 is the required equation of the plane in intercept form. So we are done. So now we are going to see one application of this theory, what we have learned. So next page. Find the equation of the plane with intercepts 2, 3 and 4 units on the x, y, z axis respectively. So here the intercepts are given, that is a, b and c are given. So here a equal to 2 unit, b equal to 3 undo, erase, b equal to 3 unit and c equal to 4 unit. So therefore the equation of the plane will be x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, implies x by a means 2 plus y by b means 3 plus z by c means 4 equal to 1. So answer. So we are done. So we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please go through previous lectures, because each and every theory in three-dimensional geometry are interconnected. As I have told you, to solve a particular problem in future, when we are going to solve some advanced problems, then in some problems 1 or 2 or more than 2 theories can be used. So to perform this problem with very swiftly, we have to understand and each and every theory of our three-dimensional geometry lecture series. So please follow all the lectures, don't skip and take it seriously. Thank you.